law. They're going to bend the rules, bend everything to destroy what they don't want to deal with, what they don't want to be a reality. And what they don't want to be a reality is that some poor slob in this town that they don't like should have American rights. And that he shouldn't be abused. And that when people agree and sign a contract with a handshake to pay him $230 and don't do it, and it's a government official, then maybe they should be held accountable. But they don't want him to be held accountable, because that's their friend, that's who they respect. But they don't respect the citizen. They don't respect the citizen who volunteered 2 years of his time to the town. That person has no rights. But these criminals have all the rights in the world and all the latitude in the world. And they can break the law and the court won't do anything about it, because the court is the ally of that corruption. And it's just disgusting. I mean, why would I want to, what is the point of living? What is the point of living in a country with all these lies? You're going to tell me there's a United States Constitution? Well, there isn't. It's toilet paper. It is garbage. It means absolutely nothing. Because people can violate your rights and you can spend 3 stinking years in court and accomplish nothing. They answer nothing. Not a single claim, not a single utterance, not a single sentence, not a single paragraph I have written has been refuted. Not one. I defy anybody to point out a single paragraph that I have written that has been refuted by a rational argument. 3 years. And that's what you get. Of course you pay too. You pay money for everything. You pay fees and money and all this rest of it, and you get no justice. Because we have bums on the court. These people they're garbage. I don't even, what do you call them? I mean, everybody knows lawyers suck. But you think they'd have a little more integrity when they take that oath and they think about Thomas Jefferson and they think about Madison and they think about Adams and they think all these great men. You'd think that would have some effect on them and they feel some responsibility to the intelligence that wrote the United States Constitution. But they have no respect for it. Because it's all about principles. And they have no principle. None. Because if they did, I would at least have the opportunity to make an argument, have a fair trial, and get an accountable decision. And I can't do that. Let alone get a fair jury trial, which I requested, and which I have a right to under the Constitution. But you can't get that either. And I'm not even demanding that. I mean, I'd like it. I think I'm entitled to it. But all I want is a fair decision. I want a fair, rational piece of intelligent argument that demonstrates why I am wrong and some other force is right. Just prove me wrong. What's the big deal? Why is that such a challenge? Why is that so impossible? Well, it is impossible because I'm right. But that's not the damn point, is it? The point is I don't have rights. I might be right,